bro, if you feel burnt out, you got to figure out how you specifically can get out of that. And it's really hard, I'm not gonna lie, because you want to work harder to get everything done in life, to achieve all these goals that you set out, and that's good. You're motivated, could even be disciplined at the same time, but you still get burnt out. You probably try to just take a break or rest. You getting like 10 hours of sleep and you still tired. You don't get over being burnt out by not doing anything. It might sound stupid, but you actually have to do things to not be burnt out. The biggest thing that helped me is doing what I'm doing right. I was eating some sunflower seeds, but they got stuck in my throat. The biggest thing I did was do what I'm doing right now. I'm just going out in nature, bro. I've been here for 8 years, and I found this place like 2 or 3 months ago. My friend brought me here, and it's like 10-15 minutes from my house. You'd be surprised what you can find around you. Just go out in nature, bro. If you don't have something like this, go outside. Go in your backyard, chill out, play in the grass. If you don't have a backyard, there's probably a park around you. Go to the park. And let's say you're in the hood. If you're in the hood, you can't go to the park. What do you do then? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe if it's dangerous outside, find a way to bring nature inside, bro. Learn how to meditate, how to just be at peace. If the direct area around you isn't safe enough for you to just chill out, find some time to travel, go somewhere else. And by travel, I don't mean like catch a flight somewhere. Like maybe drive 1 or 2 hours to somewhere that's safe, somewhere that's just like, the whole goal of this is for you to forget about time. If you can do anything that makes you forget about time, then you're good. Something that can make you just feel safe. Somewhere where you can just close your eyes, think, not overthink. Somewhere where you can think and also not think. And being able to not think is also a skill. They call it no mind. See if, right now, see if you can go 10 seconds without thinking about anything. When I say anything, I mean like no thoughts at all. See if you can go 10 seconds like that. Don't even count. If you struggle with going 10 seconds, do it for any amount of time. Go no mind for any amount of time and just keep repeating that over and over. It's like working out. You're working out your mind. More repetitions, higher frequency, and by frequency I mean just doing it more times at different times. Make it a practice. And once you can go longer without thinking at all, you'll feel this anxiety leave you. You'll feel slick, closer to God. You'll feel God's peace. And the more things you feel and see like this, just the stronger your faith becomes too. It's like, for real, any problem that you have, there's a biblical answer, and there's a way that God solved those problems for you. And God did provide nature. Like, I'm not no hippie or nothing. I don't just be outside all the time, but there is definitely something natural and something healing about being around nature, being where we're supposed to be. Find the things that make you forget about time. The more you forget about time, the more at peace you are. The more faith you have, the less anxiety you have about life, because it's not truly in your hands. You need to hand everything to Him, and He'll give it back to you if it's worth having. Another thing that can make you feel burnt out is you're working hard, but you don't have mental clarity. If you don't have mental clarity, you don't have direction. And if you don't have direction, then you're not efficiently working towards these goals that you have in life. You're not efficiently working towards your purpose that God has given you. All you need is to give yourself structure. You need to be seeking God first. And you need to just figure out what to do when you let yourself down, when you're not making enough progress, when you keep repeating that same sin, and you're just tired. I'm talking about a tiredness that's not fixed by sleep, but it's fixed with peace. True reflection, thinking about life. I thought this looked cool, bro. It looked cool, bro. I had to stop talking and just look at it. I'm talking about this God's creation, man. But find what helps you stop thinking. Something you can focus on that's not making you extremely tired. Then you can focus on making progress. And it's hard to rest when you have a lot to do all the time. Especially when you have a lot of ambition, a lot of things you want to get done in life, a lot of things you want to do. But you need to find that balance. Go on some little adventures, bro. Go on some adventures. Experience the things around you that you haven't even stopped to recognize and think about. There's probably some in your house you don't know about. Some aspect of your house. Some around you right now. If you just stop, take note of the things around you, you would have never noticed it. It would have been straight peripheral vision if you didn't just set your eyes on it on purpose. Same with sounds. If you just stop, listen, you're going to hear something that you didn't hear before you just start listening on purpose. Use what's it called? Sight, touch, hearing, taste, your senses. Start using your senses on purpose to be more aware of the present time. That's another thing. If you're burnt out, you're not thinking about the present time. You're not in the now. Take the time to just look around you. If you feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath. Look around you. Find something with any of your senses that's different than what you've been experiencing this whole time. Or that you wouldn't notice if you didn't take the time to notice it. I appreciate you, bro, for watching. Let me know how I can love you. Yeah, let me know how I can love you, bro. Show that I care. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.